Good morning, guys. So for my kids school lunch today, they are going with bread and prosciutto. In here is prosciutto. They don't really like it with mayonnaise, so I didn't add mayonnaise to that. There's another different type of bread with prosciutto as well down there, and then this type of bread. They have apple, tangerine, which is this thing. Here they call it mandarine. Mandarine. And then I added some cherry tomatoes. Same thing for everyone. Yeah. So lunch is ready and they are good to go. I'm whispering because it's still very early in the morning here. Okay, so to top it up, they will be having it with this fruit juice. Oh, thank you, baby. Blessing is offering to help me. She just woke up. Now. You want to do this one? Hold on. Oh, yeah, you can zip it. Brava. Good job. Good job, Mama. Good job. Oh my days. Wow. High five. Thank you. Yeah, come, let's go and brush you up, okay? Your mouth is white, Mommy. See, your mouth is white. Let's go and brush up.
No, me. But people is in the two bathrooms. So I can't.
People are in the two bathrooms. So you can't. I already know you don't like brushing, but you must brush. It's a must. È obbligo. Bless you, Mommy. È obbligo, okay? Devi brushare.
I wait for people.
Okay, I should wait for people. These people are your siblings, so.
It's from you, my mother.
Blessing, please, I don't have strength to laugh this morning. Remember, these people are your siblings, so I hope you know that. Don't swallow us, I beg. Mommy, say bye.
Bye.
Tell them to have a lovely day.
Have a lovely day.
Say it well. Have a lovely day.
Have a lovely day.
Bye.
Bye.
Your white mouth. Oh yeah, let's go.
Okay, sir.
are you doing?
I'm recording.
Oh, yeah, I'm going down now.
Daddy, wait.
Carry the bag.
Mommy.
She even noticed it. Yeah, your bag. Bye.
Bye.
Joshua, yeah, go. Where are your bags? Where are your bags? They are with daddy. Favor, go and hold blessing. Caleb will be fast. Have a beautiful day at school. See, daddy is pressing the bell. You guys should be rushed down. Blue boy, everything blue. Blue and black with a little touch of green. Bye. All hail all the mothers all over the world, because you see this job, family job, easy. And all hail the fathers as well, because it's not only the mothers that are doing this, because you can see my husband even came back from night duty. Is he not supposed to go straight to bed? But here we are doing school runs. So all hail the mothers and the fathers all over the world, because we are all doing an incredible job, an amazing job. I pray that God Almighty will continue to strengthen every single one of us. Okay? Hang in there. As I'm talking to you, I'm talking to myself as well. Let's hang in there, because it's gonna be better. And we are going to reap the fruit of our labor. Our children will not bring shame and disgrace to us after all these things. I did not bring shame and disgrace to my mom, or to my parents rather. So my kids, my children, and your children will not bring shame and disgrace to you. Have a lovely day, guys. Bye.